Hey, let me show you how you can use a voice changer on a Samsung S25.
I'm just recording my voice.
So first of all, you have to start by opening Galaxy Store. Click on search and you have to just find this application. There we go. And you have to just simply download it on your phone, open, then just wait for a few seconds. Now scroll all the way down, select Sound Assistant, and scroll all the way down, move for the voice changer and turn it on. And here we can record your voice, and then once you actually do this, you can check it out.
This is a sound test. This is a sound test.
Then you can check how it sounds. And when you click on the custom voice effect, you can also create it. So echo delay, ratio, frequency, vibration, pitch level. So we can set it up like you want. And once you actually do this, you can also, it will apply your voice.
This is a sound test.
This is a sound test.
It will apply your voice, even for example, into the sound records or the voice calls. And yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.